Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra if you're new, and today I'm going to be unboxing my iPhone, and I'm so excited, y'all. So I got the iPhone 13 Pro, and I got it in Sierra Blue because I love blue. It's my favorite color. And I've never actually done an iPhone unboxing on my channel, but I thought it would just be something cute that we can do and we can see my brand new iPhone together. So it's actually been a little minute since I got a new iPhone. To be honest, y'all, I don't really like the hassle of getting a new phone, and for the most part they don't really change that much from model to model, and so I just haven't gotten one. So my current iPhone is the iPhone 10 or iPhone X, however you want to say it, but this one is going to be the iPhone 13 Pro. So the main reason why I wanted to get this iPhone is because the camera quality is so amazing. I've been seeing people that have iPhone 13 Pros, and I was just like, okay, I gotta go ahead and get it because I love me some nice clean camera quality, and I actually record all of my YouTube videos on my iPhone, so having a better camera is gonna also increase the quality of my YouTube videos, so that's always great. All right, y'all, so that's enough talking, and now we're about to get into the unboxing. All right, y'all, so let's open the box. Alright, so here's the iPhone. I'm so excited, like, oh my gosh. And there's absolutely no plastic because, you know, Apple's trying to save the planet. Alright, so I think I just have to take these two tabs off the back. Alright. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Y'all, look how pretty. I'm obsessed already. Alright, so of course inside you have your little charging cord. No charging block, you gotta get that yourself now. And then it has the instructions and a little sticker and the instructions. Look at that color. Like, the color is really just everything. It reminds me of my old car. It was basically this exact same baby blue type of color, and I just love it. All right, so let's take the sticker off. Yes. Love looking at new iPhones. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna do a quick comparison of my iPhone X versus my new iPhone 13 Pro. So as you can see, they are about the same size. I think the iPhone 13 Pro might be a little bit longer. Let's see. Okay, so yes, it's a little bit taller. But not by much, like just like barely taller. And the iPhone 13 Pro is definitely a little bit wider than my iPhone X. And I feel like the iPhone 13 Pro is a little bit more square shaped, whereas the iPhone 13 was a little more round. I don't know, it's like more, the edge is more pronounced on the iPhone 13 versus the iPhone 10, but I don't know, I don't really mind that. It is definitely slightly bigger in my hand, I can tell, than the iPhone X. And let's look at the back. So right away, obviously, the iPhone 13 has 3 nice big cameras, whereas the iPhone X only had 1. So that explains the better camera quality. And also the little Apple emblem is higher on the iPhone X and more closer to the middle on my iPhone 13 Pro. Not really sure which one I prefer. I kind of like it in the middle. Kind of reminds me of the Macbook. And also the iPhone X actually says iPhone on it. Not sure if y'all can really see that, but that is not the case on the iPhone 13 Pro. There is no iPhone written on it. I would say that the buttons are a little bit more raised on my iPhone X versus they're a little bit more flat on the iPhone 13 Pro. The bottoms look pretty similar. I think the speakers are pretty similar. Looks like there's more speaker holes on the iPhone X compared to the iPhone 13 Pro, but for the most part, they are the same. And the speaker on the front is definitely smaller than on the iPhone X. So on the iPhone X is more of a pronounced speaker slit, I guess you would say, versus on the iPhone 13 Pro is just barely a little slit at the very top, if y'all can see that. And those are really the only differences that I see just sitting here looking at them. But I definitely like the way that this new iPhone feels in my hand. It feels very nice. So now we're gonna actually turn on the iPhone and get it set up. Ooh, we love to see the hello. So we're just gonna select English and then the United States. All right, quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. So y'all, I don't think I've ever done this before. I think usually I have to do the whole iCloud thing, but this is gonna be so much simpler if it works. Ooh, look at that. Set up new iPhone. I don't know why that's so exciting to me, but all right. So let's say continue. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Oh, okay. I guess I did it. Finish on new iPhone. Keep this iPhone near your new iPhone while your information is transferred. Okay. I have to enter the passcode. All right. Face ID. All right, this has the use Face ID with a mask, which is new thanks to this little situation that we have going on. But I'm gonna set this up later because I don't have a mask right now. So my Face ID is set up. Transfer directly from iCloud or transfer from my iPhone. So I'm gonna transfer from my iPhone. Terms and conditions, make sure that you read all of that. I'm not going to right now for the purpose of this video. All right, preparing to transfer. All right, y'all, so I have like thousands of pictures and a lot of videos. Like I said, I record all of my YouTube videos on my iPhone. So this is probably gonna take a little while, and I'm not gonna just sit here and make y'all watch my phone transfer. So I will be back when it is done. All right, y'all, so the transfer is complete. It took about an hour, which I was already expecting. So let's open the phone. So everything seems to be here. The apps have to finish uploading, but that's fine. All of my photos, 31,847 photos, y'all. It's such a problem, but those all seem to be there. All right, so now I'm just going to record using the camera just to show y'all the difference between the two phones. All right, so I am recording on both. Wow, so I can definitely like see the difference. for sure. It just looks so much more crisp on my iPhone 13. Let's look at my pants. Yeah, so you can definitely see a difference for sure. So now let's see what the front facing camera is giving. All right, so yeah, definitely see it a whole lot on this front camera. So on the iPhone 13 Pro is super like pretty, like the color is way more vibrant. I feel like I look a lot more washed out on the iPhone X, and my curls are way more poppin' on the 13 Pro for sure. You can see the details a lot more. Oh yes, okay, so I'm like loving this front facing camera. Like y'all know, the front facing camera is usually not that great, but it definitely is on this phone for sure. Let's check out this cinematic video. Oh, okay. So basically it blurs out your background. Ooh, this is nice. It's kind of like portrait mode, but I actually didn't like portrait mode that much because it would like blurry out my hair too. But this is not doing that. Like it's keeping me very much front and center and blurring out the background. Okay, this is nice. Like I could actually record like this, like my YouTube videos. Wow. Okay, I love this. All right, iPhone 13 Pro. I'm feeling it. Okay. All right, so let's see. I think everything else is the same as on the other one. So let me just compare to portrait. Okay, so yes, portrait definitely blurs out the background a lot more. It's still nice though. They've definitely improved the portrait versus on the iPhone X. Okay, I could see myself using this. Maybe. I don't know. All right, so let's do cinematic and flip the camera. So you can't really tell as much when you flip the camera. So it's definitely more for when you're doing like front facing. Like if I was to do a vlog or something and I wanted the attention to be on me and not whatever was behind me, that would be nice. No, for real though, like I can literally see myself recording my actual YouTube videos with this because it looks so clear. Like I love it. All right. Yes, so iPhone 13 is definitely super nice. Like I'm loving it. Alright y'all, so I decided to record the outro of this video on my new iPhone 13 Pro, and I'm using the cinematic camera just for fun. We're gonna see what it looks like. But thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and consider joining the clique by hitting that subscribe button. We are still on our way to 1,000 subbies and I would love for you to join the family. Make sure you check out my other videos. I have a bunch of hair videos, vlogs, all types of things. So make sure you head over to my channel to check out more of my content. Thanks again for watching, and I will see y'all next Friday in my next video. Bye!